ngibhadeleni mamakho. Kumele ngibaleke.
Sitakela ne
kakhulu mem. Mina memuwa like izolo bese ngibona ukuthi hayi lento yangidisturb ngoba ikuseni ngibile ngithi mengabhena ngizoba right.
Hayi wena.
Ngabe nasebusuku like ubuthonga bekungasekho easy ukuthi ngilale without like plug. Mase plug inobe ngisheshe ngibambe nanobuthongo. Mara mengekhe plug ngekungalaleki like
Maranyala ngeke usatophinza ubuyela.
Ngisaphinde ngisayifuni.
Nebafana.
Angisayifuni.
Nebafana ubuyela esikoleni.
Ube slow. Yabona bathi kenza nanoma kithi
uthobela question
usiswami like azasho ukuthi lento yakho like phela insango memazi ngisebhema kakhulu yenzani bangazathi unuka amakaka.
Bukela nje netibulala nonuka amakaka. Ngisanga
like amakaka mosebhema kakhulu like nawe moso uthi uza ukuthi hey and then immediately mengena kithi ngena so toilet lingapha ngithi bayanginaka every day mengena ngivele ngithi toilet ngiqupha amazinyo njalo ukuthi bayamangala ive ebusuku uqupha amazinyo for
unukela amakaka
unukela like insane.
Those women and men at the kitchen play a very big role besides ho apiela bana ho ba thusa ka ho prepare dijo and just staying in the kitchen. Badlala role engwe is serious when it comes to talking to the kids. Bana ba gcina baba attached to bo mama le bo time mole because they are parents as well, and having a point of view from Mutomoholo, it gives them a sense of relief.
Spec mega ye clinic like mega ye spedlela ya ku check up yakhe high blood mega fika bathi 200.
Yo it's drop we high
and man like ebusuku like I feel like ngazathi nyawo like ngathi like umuntu ozoshaya tricks kumele manje simthelivinika like
so wena ufila njani manje
decide ukuhamba like ayohlala nobaba ngoba ngitshela ukuthi yena like mina ngizombulala and nabo
bambulala
mama wena once washona so blame wena so mama like
manje ufila njani wena makho nakagula guliswa nguwe
yo membe ngifila kabi
ngondo iteng daso ene yasipana why ke so ngwano o ka nna fatsile na pila wa mutlwella dilo tse a di etsang tse rongwa ditse ene wa itshola ka tsona mara iva o mo bothateng because boyfriend setse e mo file a picture of a world that does not exist to such an extent that hore o gcina a detach from family high to prioritize the boyfriend, and this is the same boyfriend o ileng hore ho gcina ho kreya hala hore nako engwe o ba physical wa mmetha lo mmetha. So hona le ana deng ba ibitsa Stockholm syndrome. Stockholm syndrome is when the captive falls in love with the captor.
Membe ngasutri
bekusikhathi
yo beku half past 6
afasi sulele poso haya ngithi walala emkhukhwini wa
16 ujahe
namadoda waqitha nesikole
bathi bakuthi umuhle njani lokula uthi bonile
ufike kanjani ibanye yaklowa nyalo yakhona nokulala ngithi
bengibhema ubhema sikalelangeni sikalelangeni lapho siyahamba sonke sikhaya
ngabanga nje impilo nje yona leyo awuyina sesikolweni uvuka ekseni ubahayi
sponsor kangabe kisishapa 100%, but when it comes to bo mama le bo papa da the elders that we have at the camp, I believe you can't train a person to be like that. It comes ga tlhago ke batswadi even to me, even the boys o kraba ba thusana le di facilitator. It even gets to a point where when they have some spare time o tlo ya afika re se major kopela ho pholetsetsa diputso Uto Ari say, what do you want me to do for you? Can I do something for you? I just want to show appreciation. Sometimes Uto feel hore ugar banyaga ho bribe, banyaga special treatment, but sometimes Uto boner no. Banaba, they find older brothers and sisters, moody facilitating. They form a really meaningful relationship, a relationship that lasts longer even after the camp, where they'll call the facilitators. But Kopela number before it's I just want to call you when I'm going through a tough time. And every facilitator has hundreds of kids that they are dealing with when they get home. They'll get a random call from a child, Allah. They say, you remember when we were helping you at Temole, we had a conversation about this and that. It's one of those days. And so the relationship between the kids and the facilitators is something very beautiful to watch. Unfortunately with me, we are going to let the pain go. We are going to let the past go. Attention! Salute! It is! Salute! This is my salute to you now. I want to teach you something about this drill. This was not just a drill. I see drill fair like. It is. So you irahala mo philong ba hao hore dilo di be bima. Ho tlo tlhaka-tlhakana. Things are gonna get messed up. Call yourself to attention and step back. You'll be able to observe everything. O tlo bona dilo ka leihlo le lekham. When good things happen, ho achieve dilo mo bophelong. Ho ipona hore I am becoming someone better. When you look into the mirror, salute yourself. Salute yourself, because the world is not going to do it. Stand in the mirror, salute yourself. When things get even tougher, when someone tells you are useless, when someone tries to provoke you, it is. As Jima Shiho. It's a go never fun. We're not straight. We're not straight. Yeah, now you look like a man. Going to start over, Mfanaga. Yeah, such about start over. Go back. In the midst of all this chaos, you know, it's very much important to take an opportunity. What better way to do it than meditation? I'm a strong and firm believer in meditation because it works for me personally. Just because I'm here does not mean I'm perfect. The emotions still overpower and I have to sit down, meditate about it. If it can help me, it will work for the kids. Place your hands on your laps, relax. I'm going to teach you how to channel your emotions. This is the last thing I'm going to teach you before you go home. I'm going to teach you how to channel that anger, that sadness, how to use it positively. Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes. You are going to breathe with me. Take a deep breath in and out. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look into your own mind. So meditation ke ba ruta ho nna stele ba empty ditlhaloganyo tsa bona, think positively. If hona le enganyana e leng hore it sneaks in, bakhone hu controller, bakhone hu tsia those thoughts that are tucked in, go rao, ha the subconscious mind. But it is a go pele hore bakhone hu dila ka tsona instead of running away from that, because when they run away from that, it causes more problems. Have a reactor, they explode. Open your eyes. Going forward, I can't say what you see anymore. That story is in your hands now. I've written your story. I've gotten to that point. What you do after that, I don't know. Only you can decide. Now, we are going to let the pain go. We are going to let the past go. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. When I say out now, you are going to scream and shout as loud as you can. Your voices are going to go with the river. And out. Try it, man. Try it. Let the pain go, Wenasan. Toughness doesn't work in the world. There are tougher people than you. There are people that are stronger than you. You can't win every fight, but you can win the fight of your life. Let yourself be vulnerable. The saying that a man doesn't cry is a saying that creates toxic men. The strongest men in the world are the men that are able to show their emotions because they can come back from it. There's no anger. There's no unbroken and broken thoughts mixing and interchanging in your mind. Be able to be yourself. Be able to let yourself feel you are human at the end of the day. During meditation, you'll see a lot of tears. You know, babang baswaragi moya ya bona, because meditation is a very, very, very spiritual thing. Gonna count down to 1. You're gonna shout, you're gonna scream, you're gonna let it out for the last time. 3, 2, 1. Let it go with the river. Let it go with the river. Stand up. You know, to release, scream, let the pain out. It takes a certain level of concentration. But I'm surprised with how well the kids are doing. Probably 1 or 2 that feel that it's stupid because basenzane bale stuck in their dark old days. But as we repeat the process, they get to learn and see that it is helpful even for bona. Team up! Who are we? Attention! Salute! Elise! Ready! Who's try? Let's go home, my children. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Ngiyaxolisa ngazo zonke izinto engizenzile ukubukisa ngabantu ngazo zonke izinto nongadeleni umamakho ngale ngingakubangoni.
So today is a very tricky day. Mixed emotions involved. Dikoloi di a tsena hashidi di a tlala mole batswadi ba tswile ba tlile ka di-camp chair because the handover ceremony takes a very long time. Thank you for joining us, parents. It's been an honor. It's been beautiful working with these special kids. When I say we right now, I speak on behalf of these beautiful children. We have made mistakes, recently, and we acknowledge that. What do ask and beg the parents for, though, is a clean slate, a new chapter, an opportunity to show you what we are capable of.
Things have happened in the past, things we can't reverse, but things that we can fix right now. All we're gonna need from you as parents is support and patience. And please listen to us when we speak about our feelings. Because right now, we have learned how to be kids that can communicate the right way. Is that not true, my kids? Hey. Kopela hore let's go hopotsa ga dilo tse re di dileng go morago a some belief. Re a kopela. Let's go hopotsa ga bo dipatše. Hey, wena no irang. Yeah, wena please. This is the end of the camp, but the beginning of a very special kind of camp called the rest of our lives. It will be an honor and a privilege to hand these kids over to you. You brought chickens. You brought magundwane. But I assure you, we are fetching eagles, we are fetching lions, leopards. Now, my kids, as soon as you get into that car and you leave this place, there's one person that's going to be waiting. He has a lot of names. Some call him Satan, some call him the devil, some call him Lucifer. But whatever name you use, he's still the same liar, deceiver. He's going to try to pull you back. All right, where do we start? Coco, you're not gonna disappoint me, right? You're going to apologize, right? Take your clothes. Let's go, my boy.
Don't cry, Punas.
Sorry for all the bad things I did.
Rano.
Mama loves you as well. Give Mama a hug. Coco Melon, dismissed! This is it. The moment you've been waiting for all of these days.
So, yes, sir.
Please show me that this was not for nothing.
So, yes, sir.
You're gonna get home and you're gonna do as you are told.
So, yes, sir.
Right?
So, yes, sir.
But it starts by fixing. It starts by fixing. Now.
So, yes, sir.
Did you see your parents?
So, yes, sir.
Take your clothes. Let's go and do the right thing. Come with me. Come.
Igama nguJosephine Mtambo, umama kaLebogang Mtambo. Ungihluphile uLebogang. Ungihluphe kangangokuthi bengithi mangize emsebenzini naye ahambe. Mangithi uphu Lebogang bathi hayi akekho. Kangangokuthi uye wathola iboyfriend, adla ama drugs.
Eqolisa mama. Ngiyenzile. Yes, ngiphoqile. Kodwa ngicela kabusha.
chapter yokuthi bengi-drug addict seyiphelile. Manje kuqala i-chapter yomntanakho ozoku-honora, ozoku-respecta, ozokunikeza le-space sokuthi ube umama womntwana okufanele. Thank you, Papa.
Dismissed. Now, Thandeka, I don't know about you. I don't want to be worried, but naturally, I'm be worried. I don't want you to throw your future away. I'm going to uzilahla. Yes. Ngilungisa indlela zakho. Uqala manje. Thatha impahla zakho, sambe.
Mina uNtozihle Mahlobo siphume KZN umzali kaThandeka nelokuhle Mahlobo. Ngicela ukuthi uPrince ngicela ngibuyisele uThandeka wami because lo enginaye manje akuseyena.
Inhliziyo yami ngiyayifuna izono zami ngilimazile enhliziyweni. Ngicela ungixolele. Ngicela ukwenza ingane. Udlala indima yakho njengomzali empilweni yami. Ngiyaxolisa ngazo zonke izinto engizenzile. Ngokubukisa ngabantu. Ngazo zonke izinto. Nongadeleni umamakho. Ngiyakubangoni. Ngiyathamisa ngizoba umntana right mangibu. Ngiyalala ngiyazisola kakhulu. Ngiyathamisa.
You saw your parents. I want you to make things right, my boy.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi ke njengoba ewashilo lapha ukuthi mama uzoba proud ngami kusasa njengoba ngiphuma la ngicela ukuba umntanakho. Ngiyathemba ukuthi njengoba eshilo lokho uzohamba nakho afike akwenze lokho ukuthi ugogo uzoba proud ngami bonke abasekhaya bazoba proud ngami. Ngiyathemba ukuthi lokho ebekwenza ekhaya ukushiye la usuhamba noThandeka omusha lo wami bengimdinga empilweni yami.
Promise me. Take care, please. Bye-bye, my girl.